Da 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 da.
Magic tables, black and white, minstrel show.
The piece that we worked on, we basically really wanted a good excuse to look at the skeletal form and be able to work up layers, and somewhat with Ashley's techniques and my techniques, we might be able to bring a character to life. There's elements of Frankenstein about it, definitely. I almost wanted to revive a piece of paper, and it sounds pointless, but when you talk about reviving a piece of paper, the paper has a journey. It starts off as a tree, it's pulped. It's how does that piece of paper survive after that? It can either go to rubbish, landfill, it can become paper mache, it can become a lot of things. But looking at the revival side of it, I'm thinking we can almost recycle this in such a way that it's creative and it teaches people to waste nothing again. And by doing this, we're making a patient, and this patient has a journey to the point we open the chest up, we put a heart in it, we close it back up, and let's see if we can get some life. But beyond its own life is when this piece of paper gets framed, it gets exhibited. Once it's in exhibition, it goes its full journey. By hanging it up on the wall and people engaging with it, it does come to life again. So this once what was tree, there's still essence of it. It's not going to go away. We might have saved something of that tree's footprint. And I know it looks completely different, but this is one life to another.
How do you think this relates to disconnect and connect today?
Well, the digital photographs became a springboard for a series of paintings of the cloud views that I could see through the individual window panes here in my giant window. And the idea was to make a physical installation to show a connection between the virtual digital world and the more tangible world. Almost like a connection between the external and bringing it internally. Bring in an element of touch because they're very textured and they're quite intimate to look at and obviously physically made. To use an iPhone because of the speed of the change of lighting. You know, it's just a very immediate and always accessible instrument one has at their fingertips. So I basically used it as a spontaneous form of capturing that very moment.
Da 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 da.
Waiting for today's UK government news conference on coronavirus, but first the latest headlines for viewers in the UK
how you can fit in and how you can get your life going for you.
Been blessed. It's been a good time. It's been a really interesting time. You know, like right. You need to think about what you need from the shop. Think about what you really fucking need.
And
cooking up some nice food. And I think loads of families have discovered actually we can all cook.
I mean, that little area now has moved all that. Remember that whole pile of stones there where that bed was? I mean, it changes every day, doesn't it? This place, which is lovely. The organic nature of the sort of, you know, just doing stuff when you think you want to and can.
I want to do more stuff tomorrow.
The weather's like this, it's perfect, isn't it?
It looks like it's going to be like this for a little while, like. Oh, I'm like dreading the day that is going to be miserable. Well, like the weather.
Cloudy, rainy.
Like it's good, yeah, but I don't like being stuck in.
And I don't know, again, every day, the leaves will multiply, and on that oak, they'll multiply, and there's that lovely leaves a few days ago, and I love the leaves, it's like green.
It's getting greener and greener and greener.
And canopy-esque, you know, like
yeah.
It's filling in.
Yeah.
Every day the leaves are appearing, and on the oak.
Oh man, there's never been a better time. Really. Oh, we've got quite everything in the garden, haven't we? This is our blank canvas. You know, and like
a chance like this.
There's the tyres in there, and I know you said about tyres.
Carrots in there all.
There's no cross contamination with the rubber.
No, not that I'm aware of.
Not that you've googled.
No, I'm good with it. But yeah, and then drums and stuff like that. I've got them in hospital. I'll talk to them about it.
What's going on your phone?
No, I was going to go for a week. Get some sticks.
Piss on some sticks. It's for the earth, mate. It's for the planet. A bit, you know what I mean? We've got to stay at home and piss on the sticks.
Great marketing. Just
chaos.
in total if needed. Medical staff are being drafted in from across the UK, including the military. But will there be enough? Sickness has taken a toll.
Hello, Gladys. Afternoon, Mr. Davidson. I think we're about ready. This is Sound number 22, medium, Eddie Davidson, sitters, Gladys Neville and James Chantry. Not too tight, is it? No, thank you, Gladys. That's fine. I wonder who will come through today.
No, that isn't it. It'd be awful hard for me to make you understand what's come over me. I can't understand it myself, except that it's happened.
It's Sadie. Sadie, are you with us? Can you hear us?
He looks right into you. He knows what you're trying to hide. Guess it wouldn't be any use to try and hide much from him, would it?
Sadie, bloody. Quite safe here.
Mr. Davidson, the holy man, is different from you and me. He's made me different. I've been born all over again, and can't you see?
Oh, Sadie, yes. What's it like on the outside? Can you tell us, Sadie?
I don't suppose we'll ever meet again.
Oh, no, Sadie, stay with us.
Little one. Make the best of things today, because it can't be worse tomorrow. Besides, I like the boys here.
I think she's gone. Oh, lovely. Aren't they lovely chaps? Something's materialising, Mr. Davidson. Yeah, oh. Sit. Quite comfortable, Mr. Davis. Yes, thank you, Gladys. Here we are. The time is 22 minutes past 2. That is the end of the séance.
I will follow her.
searching until I have found that my leaden feet leave tracks in the ground. Then the universe will make me its core, and magnetically I will wrap up the floor. She had a notebook and each page was full of lines she'd drawn, marking the towns and the provinces we'd see, driving into the dawn, marking the towns that we'd see, driving into the dawn, marking the towns we'd see, driving into the dawn. She is the source, she is gravity, and I am weightless. She is the source, she is gravity, and I am weightless. So I carried her where she wanted to go. European fields, all covered in snow. One day we stopped at a garage to refuel. Near the road, she left the notepad lying by the boot, and I knew the journey was through. Lying by the boot, I knew the journey was through. Lying by the boot, I knew the journey was through. She is the source, she is gravity, and I am weightless. She is the source, she is gravity, and I am weightless. I will follow her, the lines that we walked, from the suburbs to the edge of New York. She was never here, no, she never belonged. She loved gravity, but she was the source. Eternal city, are you hiding her in your streets? Whenever we talked, I could never touch her core.